This is the class of basic pharmacology, or you can say Introduction to Pharmacology. What is pharmacology? Pharma means medicine or drug, and logi means study. Pharmacology is the branch of science that studies how drugs interact with biological systems. It encompasses the understanding of drug actions, mechanisms, therapeutic uses, side effects, and the processes of drug development and regulation. Branches of pharmacology: experimental pharmacology. It includes study of drugs using animals to analyze their effects. And second branch is clinical pharmacology. It includes the study of drug effects on human systems in clinical settings. We should also know about definition of drug, so any agent which is used for diagnosis, prevention of disease and treatment of disease is called as drug. Now we will try to understand important keywords in pharmacology and their explanations. First is pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics is the study of how a drug works in the body and what it does to the body. It explains how drugs produce their effects, both good and bad effects. We try to understand it, how drugs work. Most drugs work by interacting with specific parts of the body, like receptors, tiny locks on cells. The drug acts like a key that fits into the lock and either activates it, like turning on a light switch to produce an effect, or blocks it, like putting tape over the switch to stop something harmful. We must know the relationship between drug and its response. Let's learn it. Dose and response: small doses might cause a small effect, while larger doses might cause a bigger effect, but also a higher chance of side effects. There's a limit to how much benefit a drug can give, no matter how much you take. The next important thing in pharmacology is pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics is the study of what the body does to a drug after you take it. It focuses on how the drug moves through the body and what happens to it. There are 4 main steps, which you can remember with the acronym ADMA. A for absorption, D for distribution, M for metabolism, and E for excretion. Absorption means how the drug gets into your bloodstream. For example, when you swallow a pill, it dissolves in your stomach and intestines, then enters your blood. Next is distribution, means how the drug travels in the body. Once in the blood, the drug is carried to different organs and tissues like the brain, heart, or liver. Metabolism, how the body changes the drug. The liver is the main organ that breaks down drugs, turning them into forms that are easier for the body to use or remove. And last part is excretion, that is how the body gets rid of the drug. Drugs leave the body through urine, via the kidneys, feces, via the intestines, or sometimes breath or sweat. Example to understand: imagine you take a painkiller. Absorption: the pill dissolves in your stomach and enters your blood. Distribution: the blood carries the painkiller to your aching back. Metabolism: the liver processes the painkiller to prepare it for removal. Excretion: the kidneys filter out the leftover drug and pass out through urine. So therefore, pharmacokinetics helps us to understand how fast a drug works, how long it stays in the body, and the right dose to take. So this is the brief introduction of pharmacology. We will discuss few more terminologies in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.